Good day from Kamakura, Japan, on this rainy Saturday, May 14th. It's 20 degrees outside, but very humid. So today we'll be doing some indoor projects, and we'll take a look to see how the cucumbers and okra are doing, and the watermelon seeds. How are they faring after being soaked for a couple of days? Well, before all the rains came, I was able to get out into the garden and get some things done out there. Let's take a look. I just wanted to make sure all of the strawberries are off the soil so they don't rot. I see this one here is beginning to. Yeah, we'll pull them all down in between here. All the others are okay. Alrighty, I like that. Looking good, looking good. Spunky's over here chewing away. Hey, no! Yeah, these strawberries here are ripening. Getting good color on them. Glad I put those tulip leaves underneath. And I have this wire mesh here. This is actually for grilling, barbecue grilling. But maybe I can use this to keep Spunky out of here. Okay, maybe that'll work. I just thought of something here. Wish I had thought of this earlier. And that is to slant these stakes this way. I think I can do that without causing too much damage. I think this will work much better. That way they can grow this way and eventually reach the canopy. Now, this is growing nicely. I want to train this to come back inside. That's better. You can see how well the green beans are growing. Very nice. Very nice. It's getting a little warm out here, huh, Spunk? Yeah. Well, I just wanted to share with you a project that I'm working on. I have these really nice chairs here that I haven't used in quite a while because the backing's kind of ripped. You see there's a hole here. It happens from the body weight pressing up against these uprights here. And I've tried sewing them, but that didn't work. And so I came up with the idea of using belts. Now, as you can see over this one here, I have the backing still on it. What I'm thinking of doing is removing the backing and just leaving the belts on. So I've got one complete here, and I've fastened it with zip ties. So I'm just going to snip off the ends here, the zip ties. And yeah, what I might do is drape something over it just to hide these. Give you another view here of what I've done. Yeah, this is still a good belt here, but I have another one. This one's too long. So I need one more belt. So this is one reason why I don't like to throw things away, because you never know how they can be repurposed. And I'll simply attach the zip ties like this. And one more over here. It's right up at the top. And I'll simply cut off the excess here. Okay, let's see how this works here. Alrighty. Yeah, that feels good. The lumbar support is there. The lower back support is good down here. Yeah, feels good. Feels good. And what I will do is find something to drape over the backs of them here to make them look a little bit more attractive. But yeah, I'm liking that. Yeah, it's on rainy days like this that I try to come up with little projects to do around the house. I found this rounded scarf here. I was thinking of using something like this to cover the back. And something like this. And I was thinking of fastening it with some bobby pins. What I will do is hold on to these and see if I can get them remade. And earlier today I baked a peach pie. I'm going to make a cobbler, but I thought I'd go ahead and make a pie. Yeah, I think it came out pretty well. It's cooling now, but yeah, looks good. Okay, I want to lay down some paper here just to keep things neat. I'm going to use a fresh tray here, a nice clean tray, so I don't introduce any disease. Okay, well, they've definitely been kept moist. See, I've dropped a few. I'll go ahead and put these two right in the soil here. So I'll put 2 in each square. I think I'm going to go ahead and fill the tray. Don't necessarily have the space, but well, we'll see. We can work something out. I may even try to hang them. Let's take a Q-tip and push them down. Hopefully this will be a lot less messier than my finger. Put another layer of soil on top. Okay, this can go back into the tower. Alright. Then we'll give this a good watering. Yeah, things look pretty good here. Good size, almost ready to go out. Once it's all true leaves, it'll be ready to go outside. This is the okra. Very good, very good. So, hopefully in a week, we'll be seeing some watermelon sprouts. And you can see it's quite the rainy, cloudy, foggy day here. But things are looking good out here. Pretty good sized green beans. Oh, and more down here. And a few over here. I'll be ready to pick some in a little while. Very good, very good. They're climbing nicely. Okay, how's everything else doing here? The tower's looking good. We had some heavy winds last night, but everything looks pretty good out here. A lot of flowers. Our squash is getting bigger. It's a little hard to see. It's raining out here, so I'm not going to stay out too long. Damage the camera, but some good growth here. See, one of these is poking through. Let's cover that up. Okay. Very good, very good. Some ripening here on the strawberries. Looks good. Our golden trumpet bush is recovering. Let's take a peek down here real quick. Yeah, our eggplant and tomatoes are doing well. Tomatoes can be tied to the stake once the rain stops, maybe on Sunday. Very good. The flowering coming in on the potatoes. Looks good. Oh yeah, everything here are cucumbers. Looking very good, very good. Yeah. Okay.